Indian banknotes start with strong cotton fibers. Quality looks good. Trucks clear to go. This cotton will become currency paper.
Papers and ID, please.
Here you go.
Cleared. Proceed.
Operator, load the next batch.
Copy that, man.
Good. Monitor the feed rate. Now the paper is ready for printing India's currency. Final roll for shipment. Checking security features. Transitioning to press. Starting print run. This paper will soon become Indian banknotes. Every reel is tracked for security. Documentation checks out.
Clear to proceed.
Reel secured. Seal the container. Loaded and ready. Back up slowly. Forks under the reel. Good. Now forward to the conveyor. Align it and lower. Next stop, the banknote printing facility.
Good evening.
Now the rupees will be printed. Aligning the reel now. Steady. Perfect alignment, locking it in.
This is where India's currency is printed.
Security is critical in currency production.
Multiple ink layers create the banknote design.
Precision is essential for every note. Initiating security feature integration. Alignment confirmed. Applying watermark. Any imperfect sheet is removed immediately. These features protect the currency from counterfeiting. Proceed with the next print cycle.
Proceeding.
This step gives the banknotes their raised texture.
Drying ensures permanent ink bonding.
These features help verify authenticity. Now the notes are ready for final processing. Sheets aligned, activating the cutter. Cut is clean, moving to final sort. Now we separate the sheets into individual notes.
Every note is counted with precision. Only perfect bundles move forward. Now the currency is ready for secure packaging and distribution. These robotic arms ensure every pack is perfectly aligned before packaging.
Sealed and secure, ready for verification.
Every pack is digitally verified. Accuracy is key. Sorting by denomination ensures the packs are ready for distribution. Weight verification guarantees no discrepancies before dispatch.
Labels record the pack's history for full traceability.
Perfect stacking prevents damage and speeds up distribution.
These forklifts reduce human effort and improve efficiency. Storage conditions are strictly monitored to maintain note quality. Every note must meet our strict quality standards before dispatch.
Count verified, no errors are tolerated.
Shrink wrapping protects the bundles during transport and storage.
These labels allow complete traceability from factory to bank.
Perfect stacking ensures safe storage and handling. Storage conditions are optimized for note longevity and security. Each pallet is ready to be safely delivered to banks nationwide.
And this is how modern factories produce India's currency from start to finish.